Hi guys, this is Katie. Welcome to my chocolate cake challenge. Over the next month, I'll be sharing 10 delicious and easy to make chocolate cake recipes. If you love chocolate, you're in the right place. Comment below with the name of your favorite chocolate cake, and I might bake it as a part of this challenge. If you want to support my channel in this awesome challenge, don't forget to subscribe. And now let's start with the first chocolate cake recipe.